Oh, hello! Welcome to the new episode of Fun Learning where learning is fun. Today's topic is about 2019 and 2020 trends and technologies. Welcome to part 1. Companies now are fueling up on cloud power. In the facility management world, trends like improved hybrid cloud options and service meshing among others should do cloud proud in 2019. So what does this mean exactly? It means that many companies now uses the so-called cloud computing services, which is categorized in 3 types. First is Infrastructure as a Service or IaaS, which replaced the old ways of storing data in hard disks or any physical drives. IaaS gives companies storage space in the internet or in the cloud, which gives everyone easy access to the data whenever you are or whatever device you are using, as long as you have your internet. Example of companies using this are Google Drive and Microsoft's OneDrive. Second is Platform as a Service or PaaS. It is basically the supervisor of your software. It is used in developing, testing, and maintaining the software. PaaS handles the data acquired and fixes the traffic on your software. Example of this is the Google App Engine. Third is Software as a Service. This service makes the users connect to applications through the internet on a subscription basis. Prime example of this is the Netflix and Spotify. Augmented reality and virtual reality are still in the wings, from virtual office walkthroughs to pre-visualization of digital furnishing in an existing space. AR and VR promise to make life easier for FM. Ang isang example ng company na gumagamit ng augmented reality o AR ay ang company na Rolex. Ito, pwede mong tignan yung itsura ng relo na gusto mong bilhin sa kamay mo gamit lang ang phone mo kahit wala mismo yung product. Ang Pokemon Go na laro ay gumagamit din ng AR para makita mo yung Pokemon gamit yung phone mo. At sa VR naman, ang example na app or game na gumagamit nito ay ang virtual chat na pwede kayong makipag-usap sa mga tao sa virtual reality sa virtual place. Internet of Things get things done. Businesses have ramped up in IoT tools or Internet of Things at a very high rate. So ano nga ba yung IoT or Internet of Things? Ito yung mga bagay na gumagamit ng internet tulad ng fitness band. Consider solutions that desk tenancy and usage for analytical purposes or automatically alert relevant personnel to multifunctioning equipment. So yung mga business nga ngayon, gumagamit ng device para i-track yung trabaho at para malaman nila kung anong makakapag-boost ng productivity nila.
Welcome to another episode of Fun Learning, where learning is fun. Today's topic is about 2019 and 2020 Trends and Technology Part 2, where we will be talking about the office design and management trends.
Having a sedentary job is not easy. It requires prolonged sitting at the office, wherein you have to spend most of your hours sitting and doing desk duties. That is why today we will be talking about the office design trends of 2019. The office design trend for 2019 has a biophilic design. First, we will discuss what is biophilic. Biophilic is an approach that connects more closely to nature. It incorporates things like lighting and ventilation that promotes a productive, creative, innovative, and will build a healthy environment for its employees. Aside from biophilic design, 2019 trends also introduced a co-worker sharing floor plan. Co-working share floor plan is often associated with collaboration, fresh coffee, and new striking ideas that induce productivity, inspiration, and motivation. It's basically a shared office wherein you can sit anywhere. It means you can now work anywhere. But boardrooms and conference rooms are still present, which is why work from home is finally a setup, which is good for people who wanted to have a flexible time when working. We'll go to the management trends. According to Toggle, management trends promotes things like remote working means you don't have to be physically present inside the office. It means you can now work anywhere, just like your home, which is people are more highly engaged with. It is beneficial to both employee and the company because it reduces the cost of the time allowance and the money spent on traveling from home to offices. It also promotes work and life balance. which reduce lateness and absenteeism. To some people, work and life balance reduces the stress and induces productivity. You are now going to have a more flexible workforce. Lastly, for training millennials, because they are going to be the next generation employees, they should know the responsibility on how to act in the office or even working remotely.
Welcome to the new episode of Fun Learning, where learning is fun. Today's topic is about 2019 and 2020 Trends and Technology Part 3. New look at 2020 technology vision trends. At this time, the extent of COVID-19's impact on human life, the global economy, and the enterprises are not yet known. But already it has become an extraordinary catalyst for a change. In the light of this new reality and the new imperative, we are revisiting our 2020 technology vision trends and exploring how they will impact people and the business in the post-COVID-19 world.
First is the eyeing experience. We explored the evolution of digital experiences. Black box personalization, now common, leaves customer feeling out of the loop and out of control. Instead, organizations will need a new model for personalization, one that emphasizes customer agency. Now, there is a significant caveat. COVID-19 has transformed the role of importance of digital experiences in people's lives. Businesses will need more agile engagement strategies now and in the future if they want to thrive. In the short term, people are changing and enterprises should update their personalization strategies to keep up. Businesses need a way to quickly update their understanding of individuals' wants and needs, and quickly retire information that is no longer valid. The enterprises that give people the agency to steer their own digital experiences will be the first to understand what their new wants and needs are. While in long term, the purpose of a digital experience will be transformed. Demand is soaring for truly shared digital experiences and digital communities, and leaders are rising to the occasion. The need for digital platforms and experiences will continue to accelerate in the future as businesses and consumers seek alternatives into in-person gatherings in a post-COVID world. The enterprises that start building personalized, interactive, and shared virtual communities today can carry that success far into the future. Second is the artificial intelligence and me. This trend explores how leading enterprises are fostering human-AI collaboration, bringing AI's near limitless capabilities together with people's ability to direct and refine ideas. Before the pandemic, this was already top of the mind in many industries. Now, AI should be an even higher priority, and the benefits have never looked more promising. In the short term, use cases are clear. Workforces desperately need augmentation. Already, human-AI collaboration is playing a role in the race to find a COVID-19 vaccine. Outside of the medical field, the pandemic is introducing a new constraints and challenges that AI systems can help overcome. AI can help people dream up new solutions and ideas to build a more flexible organization. While in the long term, COVID-19 will enable us to see human-AI collaboration at its best, potentially easing people's concerns about the technology. A 2019 Global Accenture study on AI found that one of the top roadblocks to scaling the technology is lack of employee adaptation. But the pandemic could push us past this. If the enterprises invest in explainable AI and other tools that support the enabled through human-AI partnership, people will experience the technology at its best. Success today could open new possibilities for businesses to reimagine their enterprises and workforces in the future.
Hello, and welcome to the new episode of Fun Learning, where learning is fun. Today's topic video is about trends and technologies of 2019 and 2020 Part 4. Aside from the eye experience and A&Me, from the last Part 3, we have also this one. robots. So, alam naman natin kung ano yung mga robots, di ba? When social distancing became normal during this pandemic, nawala na tayo ng mga manpower. So, as substitute, robot help health workers in hospital para labanan tong pandemic. And that's not all of it. In the long term, we may use this robot for a greater trend and technology for our future. As we go advance in trends and technologies, meron naman tayong tinatawag ng dilemma of smart things. So, himay-himayin muna natin. So, what is dilemma? Dilemma is another synonym for problem. So, yung problem is just a future problem. And what are smart things? Smart things are like smart appliances, smartphones, like this one. So, bakit naging problema sa kanila yun, no? Well, smart things have what we call AI, like in the part 3. Artificial intelligence na kung saan nagko-collect sila ng mga iba't ibang data kung saan i-analyze nila yun at maglalabas sila ng output. So, paano naging problema to? So, one of the problem in businesses is having the risk and the harm in their business information. So, as smart things collect data, it's a risk for a business na kung malaman kung anong meron sa kanila. However, there's still innovation. There's we call emerging the ARQ technologies, which mean distributed ledger, artificial intelligence, extended reality, and quantum computing. With those four, businesses gain the momentum or nakikipagsabayan sila sa kapwa businesses using those technologies and trends, which means they made their business keep alive and keep moving forward with the technologies and trends what we have right now, like the AI, the robots, and other smart things. So for more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our channel, and hope you learn a lot. Thank you and bye.